ball. Yun yung kumbaga, yun yung term no, na sinasabi ng mga coaches pag medyo yung shooting mo maalat. Kinukompensate ba niya sa Lixie at Bilis? At sa ating ang game story, siya yung isang equation dito. Dadaanin ba sa Lixie o Bilis ng Pure Foods itong laban na to? Dadaanin naman sa laki. Ito pong Santa Lucia Realtors.
Well, as of the first half, talagang nanaig ang Bilis over laki. Makikita natin magkakaroon ngayon ng adjustments itong Santa Lucia Realtors dito sa second half. As we see ito ng magkabilang panic getting ready for action dito sa third quarter play.
One of Pure Foods Chunky Giants at well, they finished, they were the runner-ups. Ito pong natatapos lamang ng Fiesta Conference. And prior to that, actually po yung best finish po nitong Pure Foods was actually not higher than 6th place. Samantalang ito pong Santa Lucia, since they won the Governor's Cup in 2001, hindi pa na uling naulit yan para po sa Santa Lucia. But then again, yung pagbubukas ng bagong komperensya is always a fresh start. 0-0 kayo lahat eh. Kaya naman, kailangan mo nang ilabas kaagad yung iyong galing dito sa early going ng ating komperensya. Alright mga kaibigan, game na po tayo sa ating second half. Volleyball, kasama po si Eric Reyes. Mabilis na pito ni Dennis Espino. Yes, it is here para kay Dennis Espino.
Pang 18 points na ni Dennis Espino dito sa laro to. We really need to get more points from the other players of Santa Lucia. Very productive si Dennis, but he needs to get more points from the other guys like Marlo and Kenneth.
Pero sa mga labot ng Pure Foods, they know how to respond. Kapag pumunta na Santa Lucia, solid ito kay Dennis Espino, lalo na sa low post. Tignan po natin dito. At ito bola ngayon ng Santa Lucia Realtors. Naig pa rin ang Pure Foods. Ito si Paulo Mendoza, hindi na tinitira ng first half para sa Santa Lucia.
Wala pa, and tinang natin doon. He can make it, and he did.
Paulo Mendoza for
at yung pala po unang basket ni Andres Jan coming from Paulo Mendoza. As we were mentioning, malalim ang bench ito si Coach Francis Chiwan. They've got the big men and also the pure shooters to go along with it.
Well, that's the reason why talagang pasa si Kent because he wants everybody to get their confidence. Pero itong si James Yap, kanina pa mainit. Nakaago pa ngayon si Mark Pingris.
Talking about confidence, kumpiyansa. Ito pong si James Yap, pag Santa Lucia ang kanya nakakalaban. Meanwhile, ito mabagal ang pasahan ng bola dito. It seems dito sa, slow to react itong both teams. Bakit naghihintayin sa pwestuhan sa opensa itong Pure Foods eh. Halos hindi, pinabayaan na sila doon. Yung dalawa, nandun si James Yap kanina. At Roger Yap. Samantala ito. Mark Pingris ang nasa 4.5 meter line.
Tsaka dati mo, every time nakita na nga natin si Mark Pingris nakaagaw. Dati-dati, pinipilit ka agad nagmamadali sila. Ang ginawa ni Mark, he got the ball out, pinasa mo niya kay Roger Yap, biglang nalibre naman si Mark on the cut. That's why nabigyan, and may possible 3-point play, although he missed his shot.
Walang ito pa rin po Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Nakapag-erect ng malaki-laking lamang laban po dito sa Santa Lucia. Colombia, karera sana sila doon ni James Yap. Doon sa James. 10 seconds sa shot clock ng Santa Lucia Realtors.
It's very important. A lot of ball movement and a lot of shooting from the outside ang kailangan ng Santa Lucia because Pure Foods is really collapsing hard on defense sa poste.
Paulo Mendoza short sa kanyang TM3. Alam si Kirby Raimundo. Yun naman maganda kay Kirby, no? For a big man, ay asahan mo pwede magbaba ng bola. James Yap, hindi sa TM3.
All around kasi Kirby, he's really can dribble the ball, he can rebound, he can do practically everything on the court.
Samantala, punta pa natin si Dominic Uydam. Ano report mo dyan?
Mo nitong Santa Lucia Realtors, sabi ni Coach Al Francis Chua, they were a little bit tight at the start of the first 2 quarters. Sabi niya, we have to enjoy the game. Sabi niya, kumpiyansa lang guys. Kaya natin makabalik dito. Gaya ng ginawa ni Dennis Espino, though he missed. Pero makikita mo yung aggressiveness itong Santa Lucia Realtors. Mon?
Okay, salamat sa iyo, Dom. Meanwhile, ito, nagpambunong sa bola si Kenneth Durandez at itong si June Limbod. Pero yung obserbasyon doon ni mismo si Coach Francis Chua nagsabi doon, Eric, tight yung mga bata niya nung first half.
Pero totoo yun eh. Panibagong conference, everyone, lahat gusto magpakita ang gilas kaagad. This is their first game of the conference, so everyone's really trying their best. But kagaya nga nasabi ni Dominic, it's very important that the Realtors would just play their game just to loosen up in order for them na talagang lumabas yung natural na laro nila.
Entry pass para kay Marlo Aquino, naunsami. John Limbod against Kenneth Durandez. Roger Yap. Magandang pasahan dito ng Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Opening up. Itong si James Yap. James Yap, 21 points na, Eric.
Talagang mainit na mainit si James Yap. Talagang living up to his billing na talagang very comfortable siya pagkalaban niya ang mga Realtors.
21 points para kay James Yap. Paulo Mendoza in and out sa kanyang TM dress. At ito ngayon si Paulo at really electing to shoot dito sa ating third quarter. Kailangan talaga na marami pang options, Eric. Hindi naman si Dennis Espino, maaari nilang asahan.
But they really have to get a lot more points from the other guys, especially from the outside. Pure Foods is doing a good job. Kumukulap sila sa depensa. Kaya nahihirapan na makascore si Dennis at si Marlo sa ilalim. Samantalang on the other end naman itong Pure Foods, ibang-iba na yung pinapakitang laro nito. Nagmamature na yung kanilang mga bagitong players na tinatawag because of the championship experience that they had ng last conference.
Alam mo, lalo na kapag fast-paced yung nilalaro mo, hindi ba? Mas mabilis nag-gel ng isang kupunan. Natakbo ng takbo eh.
Oo. And doon mo makikita maraming pasahan, maraming mga kick-out passes kung sino yung malilibre talaga.
Alright, now to si Alex Cabagnon scoring his first basket dito po sa ball game na ito. Alam mo ko si James Yap, mainit na ginalaro laban sa Santa Lucia. Si Alex naman, hirap na hirap palagi ang shooting kapag Pure Foods ang nakakalaban.
Well, nababasa rin kasi ng Pure Foods ang laro ni Alex Cabagnot. That's why talagang he's really forced to struggle in this ball game because of the tight defense on him.
There's Pure Foods at Mark Pinglis. Makita mo na leisurely passing lamang yung ginagawa nitong Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Fancy passes pa, Eric. So, proof talagang relax na relax sila. Komportable sa nilalaro nila laban dito sa Santa Lucia.
Tsaka no intimidation kahit malalaki yung kalaban.
Meanwhile, ito baka ma-intimidate na sila dito. TM3 galing dito kay Kenneth Durandes. TM3 po yan. Natin sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. And if there's one guy na kaya talaga magbalik dito sa game na ito laban sa Pure Foods, ayan po si Kenneth Durandes.
Well, he really has to take over dito sa third quarter of play. Malaki-laki lang kalabangan ng Pure Foods with 16 points. And that Kenneth talaga really has to take over.
Look at that. Well, Alex Cabagnon. Ito ngayon, pinabayaan na lamang siya dito. Baskets na para kay Alex Cabagnon. Sana rin naka-steal ng bola na yun. At ito naman si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Kaya nakakita niya, masyado yata tayong relax dito. At ito, tuwag po siya na maagang timeout dito. Diyan lamang kayo mga kaibigan, magbalik po laban mula dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Okay mga kaibigan, ito balik po tayo dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Tingnan po natin ito, ang Pure Foods Chunky Giant. Ito, silipin naman po natin ang ating happy moment. Ayan naman, talaga naman pong nangganda ng ideya. Ayan po at isa po sa mga fans dito sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum. And this happy moment is brought to you by Happy Toothpaste, the first PDA-approved Filipino toothpaste. Oh, yeah, happy smile.
Makuha ka sa ngiti.
Makuha ka sa... Ayos. At ito mga kaibigan, well, para sa Pure Foods, hindi pa silang humingiti dito although they're enjoying a comfortable lead. And it seems ay talaga naman pong dominado nila. Ito ang laban na ito so far sa Santa Lucia. While ito po si Coach Al Francis Chua ay hinahanap pa rin kung ano ba ang antidote dito sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Sa pantala, TM Tres po, balikan natin ito. Ano na yan, Kenneth Durandes. TM Tres yan, natin sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. At si Captain Marbel, kinakailangan na sagipin itong kanyang kubunan.
Kailangan na ipakita ang kapa. O kailangan na lumipad ni Captain Marbel.
Ayan po at well, dito po sa third quarter natin, hindi pa po nag-iba ang kwento dito. Lamang pa rin po ang Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Of course, the first half, nakita natin ang iba yung sigla itong Santa Lucia Realtors, Eric.
Pero biglang nakabawi naman itong Pure Foods. Ito, si Mark Pingris ang isbay. Hindi mo masyado napapansin si Mark Pingris because he's been very consistent even in the first half of play. He's been doing all his power moves under the basket. Talagang yung mga big men ng Santa Lucia talagang namamangha kay Mark Pingris.
Well, the attempt turnover. Oh, and the counter steal there by James Yap. And James Yap sa ball game ito, meron ng tatlong steals. And Alex Cabagnon forced to follow to si James Yap after the clean steal. Good anticipation by James Yap. Balik dito ngayon. Ito po si Paul Artadi para po sa Pure Foods. Magandang pinakita ng first half. Pag si Paul Artadi, pag pumapasok ito, alam mo yung tempo, bibilis eh.
Bibilis talaga because yun talaga, doon siya nakikilala sa kanyang bilis. Ito naman mga teammates na sanay na sa ganong pace kaya hindi sila naiiwan.
Kirby Raimundo, step back jumper, yes!
How will you defend that? You know, you have one of your tallest men shooting from the outside. Talagang Marlo Aquino would be forced to really step up on Kirby and really play better defense.
Santa Lucia going to Alex Cabagnon. The entrance niya, Mintis. And Dennis Espino, one of the
Dennis
rare
Espino.
offensive rebound na binigay ng nakuha ng Santa Lucia dito. Kasi itong Pure Food Chunky Giants, alam nila, kulang sila sa ceiling, kaya halos gang rebounding lagi ang ginagawa nitong Pure Food Pure Food Chunky Giants. Alta dito James Yap! Ito na naman!
Ilan taon na ba natin nakikita yun?
Alta dito Yap, Diantras po yan. Natin sa inyo bagong TM Power to the people. Gipit doon si Kenneth Doremdes.
You know, you really have to admire itong depensa ng Pure Foods. Every time, miski maliliit yung pumapasok sa ilalim, talagang kuyog defense ang ginagawa nila. Talagang they gang up on anybody posting up or anybody penetrating.
At patuloy po, nagpapad ng lead dito ang Pure Foods Chunky Giants. And no let up sa mga bata ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. And good to 4, pag pinapasok si Paul Artadi, daming options now open. And look
Like
at that
that.
pass. Oh, sorry miss. Coming from Kirby Raimundo. Paulo Mendoza, early may TM3 yan. Hindi na nasundan. But there's Marlo Aquino. With a tip in.
Well,
Alam
Marlo
mo,
really has to go to work.
yun pa lamang ang unang field goal or unang basket ni Marlo Aquino sa ball game na ito.
Pero kailangan talaga dagdagan ni Marlo yan kung gusto nila makabalik dito sa game.
At po si Johnny Pot playing against his former team. He spent his first 7 years dito po sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Kapagdat earlier, pinapost yan si James Yap. From behind, Limpot fouling Dennis Espino.
Well, right now, itong si Dennis Espino trying to assert himself on the post. Ito naman si Jude Limpot. Talagang trying to play 3-4 defense to deny Dennis Espino the basketball.
Alam mo, kanina sa quick chat natin yan, si Dennis Espino at si John Limpot. Ang nag-uusap ni Dominic. At mukhang doon sa quick chat na nakita natin kung gaano kakondisyon itong dalawang to. Inaamin nila na talaga naghanda sila dito sa conference nito.
Well, this is their time to shine. Wala ng Damian Owens or walang Markin Chandler. This is the time for them to really shine and to really show all of us kung ano talaga yung kaya nilang gawin for their team.
Hindi square doon si Cesar Candy for that shot. Meanwhile, ito na naman at Tani nagtitimon. Tatapos dyan. Ito po si Mark Bigri.
You know, he's really setting the tone para sa opensa ng Pure Foods. Itong si Paul Artadi.
Oh.
Tapos makikita mo na talaga everyone is like playing loose, everyone is really excited,
Alam mo,
especially when he's inside.
Alam mo yung sinasabi ko rin ni Coach Al Francis Chua, pag-enjoy kayo mga bata. Ito mga kaibigan, tignan nyo. Ha? Paano nag-enjoy dito Pure Foods sa game na ito?
Dito mo yung kumpiyansa ni Mark Pingris.
Ayun naman po, of course. At well, ito si Mark Pingis is really a revelation. Lalo na po kung pagbabasihan niyo yung performance niya ng nakaraang Fiesta Conference. Diba, alam mo, after ng All-Star break kung saan naboto siya, no, na mag-start para po sa All-Star team, ay talaga nag-iba na lalo. Notch higher itong nilalaro nitong si Mark Pingris dito po sa PBA. Dominic, may balita na naman tayo dyan, Dom.
Mon, itong Pure Foods Chunky Giants, nakusap ko nga kanina si Coach Ryan Gregorio at sinabi niya yung mga aasahan niya this conference, mukhang yung apat na sinabi niya, nagpapakita talaga. Sinabi niya, Raimundo Yap for scoring, Pingres off the bench for some energy, and Artadi to push the ball. Mukhang nagdilang anghel talaga si Coach Ryan Gregorio dahil lahat sila, yun ang ginagawa in today's game.
O, tama ka doon, Tom. At simply put, yung game plan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio ang nasusunod sa ball game na ito.
Well, to the letter, talagang ginagawa nila mabuti yung game plan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. That's why naman lamang sila in this ball game.
At makita mo, ito pong si atake doon ni Kirby Raimundo. Although there was a tap, only 6 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. If you look at Marlo Aquino, siya po nagsisilbing missing link sa ball game na ito. Only 2 points and 5 rebounds to show after 26 minutes of play.
Well, that's really unlikely of Marlo Aquino. Minamahal siya in his first ball game dito sa ating All-Filipino Cup.
Team jump long two. They will rattle in. At talaga naman po, James Yap. 27 puntos na para dito kay James Yap.
Parating nasa 20 points pataas no? Pag kalaban niyang Realtors.
Maganda si Dennis Espino. Maganda na ang pihit naman kay Kirby Raimundo. Binigay na ni Kirby yung tira na yun. But well, ito pa rin po ang Pure Foods Chunky Giants leading this ball game 69-53. Of course, we still have a full quarter ahead of us. But James Yap, wala na makakapigil yata dito kay James Yap. Alright. Well,
30 second timeout.
28 puntos na para dito kay James Yap, mga kaibigan.
Substitution, Gilbert Demape for Paulo Pedrosa.
Pwede na lang gawin dito kay James Yap para mapigilan to, Eric.
Wala mo na patanggapin ang bola. Miski lumabas si James Yap, talagang kailangan depensa mo. You really have to prevent him from receiving that basketball.
Ito mga kaibigan, tignan po natin again. Ito si Paul Artadi. Nakita si James Yap. And James Yap mula sa kanto. Tiandres yan. Atin sa inyo ng bagong TM. Power to the people. Binabanggit natin si James Yap, and this guy is averaging close to 24 points per game pagkalaban ng Santa Lucia. I'm sure sa blackboard sa loob ng dugout ng Santa Lucia, yan ang number 1 na taong kailangan nilang bantayan. Alam nila, pinapatay sila ni James Yap. Pero talagang hindi mapigilan.
Well, at this point of the ball game, mahirap nang pigilan niya because very confident na siya. He has found his mark and he has hit a lot of his shots already from the outside. So dapat talaga dito sa remaining minutes of this ball game, kailangan talaga wag mo na patanggapin ang bola because once he gets that basketball, naking problema, 11 points na nga siya in this quarter of play and we still have 3 minutes and 40 seconds left in the third quarter.
Hindi pa rin buo ng lamig. Ito si James Yap. Sizzling. Chunky Giant.
Oh, sizzling talaga.
Ito si James Yap dito po sa ball game na ito. Meanwhile, Dennis Espino missing. Ito na naman, aatake na naman ng Paul Artadi. Ito, Paul Artadi, nauna na sa lahat. Paul Artadi!
Oh, look at that! Paul Artadi!
Coming from Paul Artadi.
Pumreno pa ng konti yun.
Oo, iniwan niya ang buong kupunan ng Santa Lucia Realtors. At ito pa, sa mga nakatapos doon. One team with Paul Artadi. Abangan nyo, pagpapantangan niya ang bola talaga. Tulad, makita mo, parang pag-quiz. Ito,
Bumagal pa nga ng konti, oh.
laki, laban sa bilis. Nanayin ang bilis.
Oo, definitely to si Paul Artadi. This is really the best conference of Paul Artadi. Kailangan talaga, this is his chance to really shine and show what he has in the PBA.
A 20-point lead para po sa Purefoot Chunky Giants. Ito na po pinakamalangin lamang ng Purefoot Chunky Giants sa ball game na ito. Best steal na naman dito. Paul Artadi na naman ang nagtitimon. Binigay sa kanan. Kirby Raimundo. Pahiga pa yun!
Binitin pa.
A 22-point lead para po dito sa Purefoot Chunky Giants. At ito, makita nyo po, enjoy na enjoy. Ito, Purefoot Chunky Giants sa kanilang nilalaro. We're close to the 3-minute mark ng ating third quarter. Ano pa kaya ang pwedeng gawin dito ni Coach Alfrancis Chua upang mapigilan ng Purefoot? Naputo-puto ang ating ball game, mga kaibigan. Coach Alfrancis Chua ba ito, at giving last second instruction sa kanyang mga bata dito. They're beleaguered at this point. Although matong ball game natin na Eric, meron pa tayong buong quarter na aabangan, pero lamang na po ng 22 puntos ang Purefoot Chunky Giants.
Well, makikita natin sa loob, no? Demape, Catli, Omolon, Espino, and Kalimag for Santa Lucia. Naghahanap talaga ng 5
Kombinasyon,
na pangontra itong si Coach Alfrancis Chua dito sa against Purefoot because talagang they're down by 22 points in this third quarter of play. Kailangan makabawi kagad sila at mak-cut down nila pa konti-konti yung kalamangan ng Purefoot.
At si Ivan Demape na po. Ito po, naka-uniforme na ng Santa Lucia. Ito, used to play for Purefoot. Ito po si Ivan Demape. Activated by Coach Alfrancis Chua. Here's Demape. At unang pukol ito si Demape. Pumasok. At this point, puntahan po natin si Dominic Uy. Dominic,
Mon, tinatanong nyo kanina kung paano pipigilan itong si James Yap. Sabi nga ni Coach Alfrancis Chua, isang tao lang pumapatay sa atin. Kaya naman pinasok niya itong si Bitoy Omolon para i-deny na itong si James Yap kahit saan siya pumunta.
well, yun nga po. At tignan po natin kung yun po yung solusyon doon. Ano? Ito, nalibre na naman. But James Yap, lalapit ng bagya. Binigay kay Mark Pingris. At si Mark Pingris na hilapusan.
Iba yung maturity ni James Yap. Binabasa niya yung sitwasyon. Kanina, hot shot, tumitira siya. Ang dami niya na shoot. And then, nagko-commit na ngayon yung depensa sa kanya. Nalilibre ngayon si Mark Pingris sa ilalim.
Oo, makita mo doon sa huling play na ginawa dito si James Yap. Actually free. Pero nakita niya, may gap pa doon. Yung matake pa doon sa gap.
There's a higher percentage shot itong si Mark Pingris. Kaya niya binigay kaagad yung bola. That speaks well for the maturity of James Yap after coming from that finals game with Red Bull.
And this guy has really matured a lot. Yan po si Mark
Lalo na to,
Pingris.
maganda rin yung kanyang kino-contribute. Talagang a lot of energy for Purefoot.
Ayan po at ito po, Purefoot is actually the best free throw shooting team in the Fiesta Conference. Ito po sa team, they're averaging close to 70%. Pero that time, Mark Pingris missing his first free throw.
Yun mo, nababanggit natin, malalim ang bench ng Santa Lucia. Pero ngayon naman, kita mo naman kung sino yung pumalit kay James Yap. Isang napakagaling na shooter din, si Noy Castillo.
Ay naman po, ito. Ito still a 20-point lead para po sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants.
Look at the backward scoring, 17-36. Lamang na lamang ang Pure Foods.
Ito si Dennis Espino talaga. Well, nanlamig ko talaga na-check na nga ng Pure Foods Chunky Giants dito sa ball game na ito. And right now, Paul Artadi navigating his way. The pass to Richard G. There's a foul.
That was a good decision on Paul Artadi's part. They have the numbers. Nilabas na muna ng konti to free up the middle. Ito naman, pakat naman tong si Richard G. off the transition.
Touching down number 24, Ricky Kalimag.
Foul on Ricky Kalimag. At yung pagkalaban mo Pure Foods now para kay Coach Francis Jewell. Kailangan mayat-maya ang basa niya dito sa ginagawa ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Pagkat nag-iiba talaga ang tempo pag pumapasok itong si Paul Artadi.
Nagkakaproblema sila sa matchup with Paul Artadi because of his blinding speed. Kailangan talaga i-Arielias to dig deep from his bench. Possibly Alex Cabagnot later. Pagbabalik na Alex Cabagnot, they have to neutralize itong playmaking skills ni Paul Artadi.
So ito, balasa ulit si Coach Al Francis. This time, fielding back. Itong si Marlo Aquino at Kenneth Durende. Sa bahagi naman ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, pinasok si Ray Evangelista, replacing Mark Pingris.
Now, Coach Ryan Gregorio has the luxury of fielding most of his players coming off the bench to really give the starters a brief rest.
Under 2 minutes dito po sa ating third quarter. Kenneth Durandez, the Andres, wins out. Nelbert Pomolon,
The guitar man, oh. Going for 2 points.
Kanina po sana naibigay yung feature natin kay Nelbert Pomolon. Walang nalaman, talagang magaling pala tumugtog itong si Nelbert Pomolon.
Si Cesar Cati naman yung kanyang vocalist.
Meanwhile, Richard D. There's Kirby Raimundo, binitbit na naman dun yung bola.
Santa Lucia failed to box out itong si Kirby Raimundo for that easy 2
Alam
points
mo,
under the basket.
Wala ako nakita lumuntan sa Santa Lucia. Wala rin halos ng taas ng kamay to prevent the shot coming from Kirby Raimundo. Meanwhile, ito si Paul Artadi. Ginawang slalom si Marlo Aquino.
Napakatulin talaga ni Paul Artadi. Kala may gulong yung paa eh.
Touching down number 13, Marlo Aquino.
Ayaw po, Marlo Aquino natawagan ng foul dito. Ito po Santa Lucia, the team penalties. Makalawa pa lamang kay Marlo Aquino po yan. At team penalty na ng Santa Lucia.
Well, we've seen leads overhauled, no? Before, yung mga daming teams in the past nakakahabol pa. Itong Santa Lucia, they really cannot give up in this game. They just have to keep on playing hard, playing tough defense against Pure Foods.
Alright, ito po si Paul Artadi. Alam mo doon si Paul Artadi, marami naghihintay dito. Sabi ko lang yung slam dunk eh. Sabi ko, alam natin, may nakakalundag ito.
Sa bagay, totoo yan.
Oo,
Nakita ko na talaga dumangke nung college siya eh. I'm sure he can still do it right now in the PBA na mas condition pa siya.
Alright, under a minute to play. Dito po sa ating third quarter. Ibet Demape, hit a long shot kanina. Ito na naman! Ibet Demape pa, 2 for 2 na ito ha. Ito si Ibet Demape, TM Trespuy. Natin sa inyo ng bagong TM Power to the People. Artadi to Richard G. Richard G. Nag-hesitate doon. Well, yun lamang first time ko nakita nag-hesitate. Ito isang player ng Pure Foods dito dito sa third quarter.
Well, si Marlo Aquino na yung nasa harap eh. Kaya talagang magdadalawang isip ka tumira dahil talagang masusupalpal ka.
Alright. Ito po at saglit na lamang ang binibilang dito po sa ating third quarter. Ibet Demape, mainit ang shooting dito po sa third quarter. At this time, itong Dennis Espino electing to attack. And foul ang may tatawag.
Touching down number 28, Richard G.
Kay Richard G. Pangalawa lamang yan para kay Richard G. At ito po Pure Foods, tipid na tipid din sa team foul.
Well, lamang naman sila. They don't really have to foul. Kung talagang sure 2 points in Santa Lucia, why would you still foul? You're up by a big margin by 21 big points already.
They dump it to Marlo Aquino. Stop from behind. 5 to shoot. Nelbert Omolon. Yun naman.
Nelbert Omolon.
Nice reverse.
Very good, yes. Very good undergo stop by Nelbert Omolon.
5 points na para kay Nelbert Omolon. At ito po, only 12 seconds remaining. Pure Foods will probably elect to take the last shot dito po sa ating third quarter. Ray Evangelista, comebacking para po sa Pure Foods. Nakagawa na ni Nelbert Omolon. At magandang foul yun na binigay dito si
Having foul number 4,
Paul
Paul
Artadi.
Artadi. His second, 3 on the Chunky
Magandang malayo
Giants.
pa naman sa team penalty. Ito pong Pure Foods Chunky Giants.
Saka 1.8 seconds left na lang ang ating third quarter of play. So that was a very smart foul given by Paul Artadi.
Alright, ito po. At well, talagang uphill climb ito papasok sa fourth quarter.
Malayo-layo, but
Para
nothing is
sa Santa
impossible.
Lucia.
Oh, they're very equipped to be able to come back in this game.
Alright, air ball yun. Yung huling attempt. At kami po ay nagmumulan sa Araneta Coliseum. Nagpapatuloy po ang 2006 Grand Matador Brandy PBA Philippine Cup. At ito po ang laban ng Santa Lucia at ng Beautiful Chunky Giants. Laki laban sa bilis. At sa ngayon po, nananaig ang bilis nito pong Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Alright, welcome to the fourth and final quarter. At ito po si Paul Artadi. It's been a vital cup para po sa Pure Foods. Sa ball game na ito, samantala Santa Lucia, kanila na dapat yun. Pero ang bola lumabas pa sa end line. Last touch yun si Ibet Dimape.
Maganda yung plano ng Pure Food in that last play. Talagang naunsami lang ng Santa Lucia Realtors. Kaya talagang na-outside yung bola.
Well, nagkiklik po talaga itong mga players si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Kita mo ba
Roy
shoot mula ni
Castillo.
Roy Castillo. And practically lahat na pinasok ni Coach Ryan nag-contribute dito para po sa Pure Foods.
Kita mo
There's a
yung
quick
help.
double
Oh.
here by
Ang bilis nung help ng Pure Foods. Even Paul Artadi
Having foul
trying to
number
steal that
28,
ball from
Richard
Marlo.
Gee. His
At
third,
kaya naman po ito
1
si
on the
Marlo.
Chunky
Kanina nga
Giants.
sinasabi nga natin nagmi-miss lang missing link sa laro ng Santa Lucia.
Napansin nyo nga yung second quarter, finish namin kanina. Second quarter was really the Waterloo of Santa Lucia wherein they only scored 9 points. Eh doon naman biglang umarangkada itong Pure Food.
So ito si Marlo Aquino, kailangan humabol dito. Ito pong si Coach Al Francis Chu wants him to become productive dito po sa fourth quarter natin. At may balita si Dominico, ito ko naman sa Pure Foods. Dom,
Having foul number 28, Richard Gee.
Pure Foods Chunky Giants, gusto nila to instill the killer's instinct, sabi ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. One more quarter, guys. Huwag na natin aksayin yung pinaghirapan natin. The first 3, tapusin na natin itong laro and make them give up early.
alright, salamat kid. At sipag ni Dom, ano?
Oo, kanina
Dahil
pa eh.
ito mo, employee of the week ka.
Ano bang kinain niyang o minerienda ni Dominic Uy?
Bilib lang ako kay Eric Reyes. Ina-idolize ko yan. Ang dami mag-report So, I didn't wanna let him down.
Paulo Mendoza for
Well,
Gilbert
mga
Dimape.
kaibigan,
Alex Sabaton for Delbert Omolon.
At meron mga palitan po dito. Si Ibet Dimape at Delbert Omolon. Pinalitan po dito. Paulo Mendoza at Kabagnot ang ayan, ito ngayon ang para dito sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Pakita talaga ang balasan ni Coach Al Francis, ha?
Ngayon naman nag-start siya na nag-experiment siya ng dalawang maliit na gwardiya sabay. Because yun nga, ang problema nila yung to offset the speed of Pure Foods.
Ito, 6 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Atake si Richard Gee. At kinamitan ng hita doon ni Marlo. So, foul tatawag dito kay Marlo Aquino.
Foul number 13, Marlo Aquino. His
Smart
third.
move yun. Naalala kasi na mas mabilis siya kay Marlon. That's why
40
he
seconds
has
on
to
the
bring
shot
it to the
clock.
basket.
Ayan po, a minute gone by. Dito po sa ating fourth quarter. Alright, at ito bola pa rin dito ng Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Ayan po, at sila po ang runner-up this last huling Fiesta Conference. 3 seconds to shoot. Artadi, the time, wala, oh! At
24 seconds shot clock violation.
24 seconds shot clock violation. Tinawag sa Pure Foods. But still, ito pong si Paul Artadi again. Abay, hindi matatawanan. Contribution ni Paul Artadi dito sa Pure Foods, ha?
He has really played big for the Giants. Now he's been a Giant actually even with his height. Makikita mo yung contribution niya on both ends of the floor. Depensa, he's been pushing the ball very well for his teammates.
Meanwhile, Kenneth Duremdes. Memphis doon at si Paul Artadi. Tatlong green shirts ang iniikutan doon ni Paul Artadi.
Hindi basta-basta maagawan.
Touching foul number 16, Dennis Espino. His third.
Dennis Espino na tawagan. Alam mo, meron kang kasabihan hindi ba sa basketball, Eric, kung ikaw ay player na kaya mong dalhin ang bola kung saan mo gusto. Meaning walang factor ng height, you can play at any level.
Oh, definitely. Because you can just like create so much for your teammates, no? Laking bagay kayo, kaya mo dalhin yung bola kung saan mo gusto, and then nagkakaproblema ng inyong depensa because hindi nila ma-dictate sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin.
32nd time out po, hiningi ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, mga kaibigan. Samantala, puntahan pa na nating Red Bull Energy Play. And look at this. Here's Kirby Raimundo winning his way inside. Red Bull ang bumangga. Iba. Ngayon naman po, ito pong Pure Foods Junkie Giant. A little bit of trivia dito, partner. Ito pong Pure Foods in their last 3 conferences, lagi na nanalo sa kanilang debut, conference debut. Samantalang itong Pure Foods, or well, itong Santa Lucia, in the last 4 conferences, they've always lost their opener.
Oo, kaya I'm sure itong Santa Lucia gusto niyang makabawi because gusto niyang ma-erase yung
Stigma, no?
yung stigma nung talagang natatalo sila
Sa
pag
opener.
opening game nila.
Wala yung po at kanina nga napag-uusapan po yan na pagkat sila kayo makaka-break, mag-break ng trend doon, ano? Ang Pure Foods po na lagi na nanalo sa kanilang opening game o ang Santa Lucia na lagi na nanalo sa kanilang opening game. Right now, kung magtutuloy-tuloy po ang Pure Foods dito, matutuloy ang trend nila.
Tuloy ang trend, tuloy rin trend ng Santa Lucia.
Samantala, ito po, oy! Richard G, again, magandang pasahan doon, very fluid. Well, hindi na nagagawa pag lamang ka, hindi ba nakakapag-execute ka ng mas maigi. Eric, walang ka-pressure sa'yo.
Saka ang tingin mo doon sa ring, malaki na eh. Ito naman Santa Lucia, talagang tingin na sila sa ring, napakasikip.
Ano sinasabi doon? Gabilao na?
Oo,
Yung mga
gabilao
ano
na.
rin.
Kahit di pa tumunan, check na papasok, dahil ang tingin mo, malaki.
Alright. At ito pa, napupersa pa nila sa turnover. Ito pong Santa Lucia Realtors. One thing with the Chunky Giants, at kanina nire-report ka ni Dominico, yung gustong ma-instill ni Coach Ryan Gregorio dyan, yung killer's instinct.
Well, they have really shown us na talagang hindi naman basta-basta bumaba ang lamang. 23 big points na yung kalamangan ng Pure Foods.
And ito magandang, even Coach Ryan has the luxury of rotating all his players. Kita mo si Roger Yapas, yung sabihin niya sparingly dito sa Pure Foods.
Well, napakaganda naman kasi yung nilalaro ni Paul Artadi.
Pegris, running jumper yon. Oo, at tuloy-tuloy po yan. Pagkat humalik lamang yung bola dun sa labi ng ring. Oh, and Marlo Aquino, sorry, miss. Dadangkalin na lamang yun ni Marlo, ha. Pedro Maro, at the other end. Nagmadali rin doon, si Roger Yap.
Napalakas ang pasa.
Alright. But still, ito pong Santa Lucia Realtors. Hirap dito sa game na ito. But Dennis Espino, tumito doon ang ating referee. They will trip to the free throw line. And so far, ito po si Dennis Espino has notched 22 points. Wala pa dito sa fourth quarter natin. In fact, ito pong Santa Lucia, wala pa na-score dito po sa ating fourth quarter.
Itong si Dennis Espino is lone bright spot for Santa Lucia. Siya lang talaga yung gumagawa, no? Even on defense, siya lang talaga yung nakakadepensa. He already has 22 big points in this ball game. He really needs a lot of support from the other players as he misses free throw.
Well, time for extreme magic action shot. And look at this, Baller Daddy. Pagsaro na may hawak ng bola, talagang extreme ang nangyayari. Look at that reverse. Brought to you by Extreme Magic Sing Videoke. Come alive with Extreme Magic Sing. Volume point, ito pong si Dennis Espino. Used to be yung kanyang partner, sparring partner sa Realtors. Ito pong si Jun Limpot.
Sila yung mag-partner dati, si Marlo Aquino naman was still with Ginebra.
Yes, right. Yan naman po ito. Mahaba po pong ating ball game. 9 minutes remaining. Pero itong Pure Foods, si Chunky Giants comfortably ahead dito po sa laban na ito. Of course, huwag yung kalilimutan ang ating second game. Talkatech Bombals. Ito si Manong Derek mag-debut as the head coach of the Talkatech Bombals. And they will lock horns against the Barangay Ginebra Gene Kings, the defending champion dito po sa ating Philippine Cup. Magandang laban po yan. Huwag niyo pong imimiss yan. And Alex Cabagnot. Yung atake niya, wala. Dennis Espino, supalpal doon.
Sinasabayan pa rin siya, no? That's what you call really killer's instinct. No easy basket for Santa Lucia.
At itong veteranong Ray Evangelista. Sige ng timeout dito. Kup-kup siya doon. And quickly, nilapitan agad siya ng mga teammates niya. Alam po nila ito si Ray Evangelista. Alam mo, hindi na rin spring chicken ito si Ray Evangelista. At ayaw naman nila magkaroon pa ng injury at this point. Meron po tayong time out. Diyan naman kayo mga kaibigan. Naman pa rin po ang Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Well, punta po natin ating Pure Foods Bacon 3-point play. Alright. And ito po si Paul Artadi siya nagtitimon doon. And there's that easy layup coming from Mark Bigris plus a foul. So fouled po yung basket na yun. And Mark Bigris completing the 3-point play brought to you by Pure Foods Bacon with 3 variants, honey cured, maple, and the newest lean and mean bacon. While talking about the yan po ang Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Alam mo sa relevant stat dito sa para dito sa Pure Foods. Nung natapos po ang Fiesta Conference, they're actually number 1 in free throw shooting, number 3 in scoring and field goals, second worst in assists. No? Binabanggit natin yan. Bakit tingnan po ninyo yung mga kaibigan kung nagkakaroon ng adjustments yung mga kupunan pagkatapos ang kanilang performance after a season o after a conference. Kailangan po nag-improve sila dun sa mga departamento nyo.
But totoo yan because yung mga coaches nila talagang binabasa lahat ng statistics, pinapanood talaga ang tapes at nakikita nila kung ano yung mga pagkukulang ng kanilang team. Ina-adjust at pina-fine-tune nila during the off-season in order for them to perform better in the next conference.
Shot block by Alex Cabagnod. Pero to si Roger Yab. Alam mo gusto makabawi din ni Roger Yab matapos siyang sumalpalit. Si Alex Cabagnod. Foul on Roger Yab. Pangalawa yan para kay Roger Yab. Pero 4 na team fouls ng Chunky Giants. Kanina third quarter, matipid na matipid sila pero ngayon may 4 na.
Well, itong Santa Lucia has been very aggressive. Sila naman yung umatake sa basket ngayon. Gusto sila na talaga yung nagkakabol, no? But right now, yung Pure Foods, malaki yung kalamangan. That's why all they have to do is just preserve that. And mananalo na sila in this ball game.
Umikot yung bola para sa Santa Lucia. Lumanding kay Chester Tolomia. Pumukol ang Diantres. Pero foul. 3 dito si Chester Tolomia. Eugene Tejada matatawagan doon. Another foul. Natawagan din yung bagong player para po dito sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants na si Eugene Tejada.
Well, itong si Eugene Tejada, even if bigyan mo lang siya ng konting playing time, he's very aggressive. Makikita mo naman talaga, he was just so active in that last play on defense. May killer's instinct talaga lahat ng players ng Pure Foods. Sina-challenge sila lahat ng shots ng Santa Lucia.
Tapos si Chester Tolomia, bintis yung una. Second is good. Take 3 po yan because he was fouled from the TM line. At of course, Chester Tolomia played for the University of Perpetual Help of Rizal. Altas. Tampos sa NCAA.
Naglaro siya ng bahagya sa Ginebra.
Oo, tapos naging journeyman na rin to si Chester Tolomia.
Played again in the PBL. He
Yes.
got his bearings back. And when he got to Santa Lucia, dyan naman talaga nagpakitang gilas itong si Chester Tolomia. Na last conference, he was one of their dead shots from the outside.
Alam mo, one thing to Chester, sinasabi nga ni Coach Al Francis Chua, na pag nandiyan si Chester, alam mo, may gagawin siya dun sa bola. May gagawin niya tama dun sa bola. No? Hindi yung alam mong players kasi pag tumanggap, di alam ang gagawin. Siya, alam niya ang gagawin niya. Pero that time, yung bola, parang gusto tayo tamaan.
Binabato na tayo dito.
Alright. Ayun po, 7.5 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Pure Foods pa rin dito. Ang nagdodomina, Alex Cabagnod. And talk about sour shooting, Alex Cabagnod. Dito sa smoking ito, only 4 points para dito kay Alex Cabagnod.
Sa third quarter na nga gumawa si Alex Cabagnod, no? And he's really been hounded by the defenders of Pure Foods, knowing na talagang he's really a dead shot from the outside and he can do so much damage for them kung di mo didepensahan.
Bumalik na naman yung pinakamalaking tinik dito sa para kay Coach Al Francis Chua. Ito si James Yap. Pinalta po si Golden Boy Noy Castillo. Dennis Espino using the glass. Still nothing there para po sa Santa Lucia. Mananatili pa rin to sa Realtors.
Right now, si Coach Al Francis Chua talagang hindi niya malaman kung anong gagawin niya sa kanyang mga players. Talagang hirap na hirap sila makashoot dito sa last play na yun.
Tolomia. They go to Dennis Espino. Si Dennis Espino, madali yung tira niya yun. Sama, check na ng Pure Foods yung ploy na yun ng Santa Lucia Realtor. O si James Yap, kung sino bumabantay kay James Yap, talagang napakalaking assignment nun. And Jun Limpot finding a TM Tres.
Anong nangyayari kasi if you're assigned to James Yap, every time na makashoot si James Yap, talagang magagalit ng coach mo. Dahil alam na nga kanina pa nag-iinit si James Yap, pinapayagan mo pa rin makashoot.
Ito pa mga kaibigan, maagang na team penalty ang Pure Foods Chunky Giants. So ito, free throw shooting time na naman para po sa Santa Lucia Realtors with a good 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
Well, this is going to be a good time for Santa Lucia to keep on attacking the basket, knowing that Pure Foods is already in the penalty.
Ayun po. So, kita mo na, aninag sa buka mismo ng mga fans.
Alam mo kagad kung kaninong team,
kung
kaninong team siya nag-cheer.
Alright, the 20-point lead para po sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants. At kung fan ka ng Pure Foods, talaga naman hanggang tenga ang ngiti mo. Alright, foul on Marlo Aquino. And right now, but Marlo's really struggled dito sa ball game na ito para sa Santa Lucia.
Talagang napahirapan ng Pure Foods itong si Marlo Aquino. Hindi couldn't really get going in this ball game. Lahat ng mga post-moves na talagang nauunsakin.
Kapatalan, dito naman si James Yap. Mga kay halos naka-4 na kung tumira.
Sizzling talaga ito si James Yap. Talagang kailangan mo na buhusan ng tubig.
Ayun po, at ito. Well, there's a basket by Dennis Espino. And one kay Dennis. At Kirby natawagan ng foul doon.
Santa Lucia's got to pound that basketball underneath because alam na nga nila na Pure Foods ay nasa penalty na. Pure Foods naman on the other hand, they just have to stay in front of their man. They're up by 20 big points right now and all they have to do is just to sustain that in order na manalo na sila in this ball game.
Well, big game so far para kay Dennis Espino. Makita niyo naman po, double-double na para doon kay Dennis Espino.
Well, that was actually Santa Lucia's first field goal.
As he makes the bonus, yes, 26 points. Para doon kay Dennis Espino. Pero yung pala ang unang
first field goal nila at 6 minutes, 15 seconds left.
At James Yap, long two para dito kay James Yap.
Talagang napakainit. Umaapoy itong si James Yap.
32 points na ang pinuputos dito pong Wonder Boy from Escalante. At ito, mayroon pang turnover dito.
Akala ko ba nasa all Filipino tayo? Parang James Yap is the import of Pure Foods. Import like numbers yung pinapakita ni James Yap.
Alam mo, dito sa ating komponensya, Pinoy sa Pinoy, laban kung laban, ay kitang-kita yung talaga kung sino talagang gustong may magpatunay ng kanyang galing at dito sa conference nito. Para kay James Yap, parang alam mo, parang sinasabi niya, ako ang man to watch dito sa conference na ito.
Well, he really has proven it even in the last conference. Kahit ni Mark and Sander sila, siya yung talagang man to watch for Pure Foods.
And right now, James, ang layo nito!
Almost.
And here's Mark Pingris. At sa ilalim combat rebounding. And Kirby Raymunto magre-reset dito ang Pure Foods Chunky Giants. At look at Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Sinasabi nga po natin sila, wala po silang height. Sabi nga ni Coach Ryan, sa papel, kami yung pinakamaliit na team dito ngayon sa ating komperensya. But the team effort is proving to be the key para dito sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants. And Chester Colombia, long to in and down. Pass pa rin, Chester Colombia. Under 5 minutes to play. Sa fourth quarter natin. And since parang malang pag-iba yung laro dito ng Pure Foods, sa mainit pa rin yung James Yap.
No let up sila Talagang tuloy-tuloy sila. Even ang defense, sa rebounding.
Kirby to Mark Pingris and good passing ng Pure Foods Chunky Giants. And right now, talaga naman po, isa-isa. Ika nga po, tinatagtad itong Pure Foods. Ito po Santa Lucia Realtors dito. And we have a timeout, 23-point lead para po sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Well, time now to take a look at our Rambicon 40 Astig Player of the Game. Well, if you take a look at Kirby Raymundo, alam mo, ang daming pwedeng piliin na player, pero Kirby Raymundo has been a vital call para po sa Pure Foods dito po sa ball game na ito. Well, there you have it mga kaibigan. Our Rambicon 40 Astig Player of the Game, and look at his numbers. He's already with 16 points and 13 rebounds. and has played for 38 minutes. Although mainit na mainit nga dito si James Yap. If you think about the Pure Foods Chunky Giants, na wala naman talaga nahihitin mong sentro, somebody's got to be keeping the fort para sa Pure Foods. At yan po, walang iba kundi si Kirby Raimundo.
Eh, nakita nyo naman, double production na itong si Kirby Raimundo with double figures in points and rebounds.
At James Yap, the sizzling Chunky Giant sa ball game na ito. Mark Pingree, sinubukan yung kanyang long shot. Papasok yun!
Mark Pingree.
Hindi mo nga naman pag lamang na lamang ka
Yung confidence level mo mataas eh. Hindi ka na matatakot, hindi ka matatakot tumira.
na Alex Cabacon.
Alex Cabacon.
Ang dating ng puntos para po dito sa Santa Lucia. Alex Cabacon, meron lamang pong 6 na puntos for the Realtors. Well, mahaba po itong ating Philippine Cup. Again, yung ating format, napakaganda po niya. Halos walang pinagkaiba naman sa Fiesta Cup. Except that yung ating wildcard phase, talagang mabibigyan mo ng pag-asa ang lahat ng kupunan. Yeah, well, kailangan nga lang talaga pag-ingatan mo ng gusto yung iyong win-loss record. Pagkat meron ka pa nga pag-asa pag nasa wildcard phase. Kapag carry over yung record na yun.
Carry over, yes. Kung ano yung record mo na elimination, dadalhin mo yan sa wildcard phase. If ang position mo is nasa 6, 7, 8, or 9 position ka ng torneo. Ngayon, kung ano yung record mo doon, itutuloy nila yun. Lalabanan mo lahat ng teams with 1 game each.
Single round robin po yan, mga kaibigan. Kaya mahalaga po ang bawat ball game. Kita mo naman dito. Well, that this time, with 3 seconds to shoot, Mark Pingree.
Nako, nakakuha ko ng offensive rebound.
And Roger Yap inabot kay Kirby. Uy, block from behind by Marlo Aquino.
For Roger Yap.
Meanwhile, seeing action for the very first time, ito pong si Egay Pillones. So lahat binarm up itong si Coach Ryan Gregorio para dito po sa ball game na to. First, ang susunod po mga kalaban ng Pure Foods ay ang Coca-Cola on March 15.
And then ang Pure Foods,
Wednesday
meron
po
din silang laro sa Hong Kong.
Opo. Kalaban naman ang Talk and Text phone pass. Kauna na ang pagkakataon po. Well, maglalaro po ang PBA out of the country dyan sa Hong Kong. Alright.
Dennis
Dennis
Espino.
Espino. At ang pinabayaan na naman doon si Dennis Espino with under 3 minutes remaining sa ball game na ito. Talaga naman po dinomina na ng Pure Foods Chunky Giants ang kanilang opener dito po sa Araneta Coliseum sa magbubukas po ng Grand Matador Brandy PBA Philippine Cup. At James Yap papalayo, papalapit, umaatake ng gusto already with 34 points.
That is actually a career high for James Yap. Ang last time na naka 30-point ball game siya noong May 19, 2005. So ngayon, siya yung career high.
Alam mo, kanina binabagit naman natin nung halftime. 17 points kasi natapos yung first half para kay James Yap. Kung doblehin nga naman niya yun, 74 points. Nangyari na nga po, na-doble na dito sa second half.
But it was really a hot shooting night for James Yap. No one in Santa Lucia was able to keep step with James Yap.
And here is Dennis Espino. Hindi rin nagpapahuli. Kung nakita niyo po yung numero ni Dennis Espino, all now with 31 points. Pero walang nakakasama dito si Dennis Espino eh.
Wala siyang suporta from the other locals. Kailangan talaga, they really have, in their next game, they really have to score more. They cannot afford to have only one guy scoring in double figures. On the other hand, Pure Foods naman, ang dami nag-contribute in this ballgame. Jun Limpot, Kirby Raimundo.
Well, tama ka doon, Eric. Ano, para sa Santa Lucia, we thought itong si Kenneth Durendes will take charge offensively. Click.
You can really give credit to the defense. Defense na talaga ginawa ng Pure Foods over these guys. They know that Kenneth Durendes is an explosive player, even Marlo Aquino. That's why talagang from the opening bell, talagang dinikitan na nakagad nila itong dalawang players.
Kirby Raimundo. Patuloy po ang apak sa silid niya doon. Itong si Kirby Raimundo para sa Pure Foods already with 18 points. At meron pong timeout dito. Hinigay ang Santa Lucia Realtors. They're down. Pure Foods po ang lamang sa ball game na ito. Alright mga kaibigan, welcome po sa mga fans ng PB. Alam niyo po ba na yung Give Me 5 promo is back? Opo, sa pagbalik ang subo ng PB, kasama din nagbabalik ang Give Me 5 promo po sa mga makakapanood na kayo ng PB Game Live sa halagang 5 piso lamang sa General Admission ng Upper Box B ng Araneta Coliseum at General Admission ng Canada Astrodome at Ignares Center. Para naman po, tumungo po kayo. Mapanood nyo ng live kung paano mag-break ng scoring record o ang kanyang personal scoring record itong si James Yap.
Yun yung question mark kanina yung fourth
34
quarter. Naka 6
Okay.
points siya here in the fourth quarter of play. And we still have 2 minutes left. Kaya asahan natin, baka gumawa pa ng konti yan.
Ayun naman po. Alex Kamatap with a stretching layup. At last 2 minutes na po tayo dito sa ating fourth quarter. Well, at this point, ito pong Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Alam mo, nung first quarter, talagang naman balikatan itong ating naging laban eh. Pero nung second quarter, simula nang umalagwa itong Pure Foods Chunky Giants. And wala nang daladalang posas itong si Coach Alphonsus Chua dito kay James Yap. Kaya naman po nalalasan na gusto itong si James Yap dito sa ball game na ito.
Mawala siya eh. You know, with an explosive scorer like James Yap, dapat sa simula pa lang talaga ng game, you really have to give him a hard time already para hindi siya magkakumpiyansa. He really has to struggle in the beginning.
But right now, everything is looking good para po sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants. Magandang simula ito sa kanilang kampanya. Kanina tinatanong po natin, will this be it para dito sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants? Ito na nga kaya kompetensyang ito. Ang muling magbibigay sa kanila ng isang kampyonato. Meanwhile, ito si Egay Billones. Jackknife. Layup mula dito kay Egay Billones. Si Kenneth talagang halos hindi na kumuha ng nag-attempt din si Kenneth Durante dito po sa second half. Chester Columbia with a TM3.
So ito si Kenneth really tried to take some shots, pero talagang hindi lang nagpapapasok in this ball game.
TM3 po yan. Natin sa inyo na bagong TM. Power to the people. And there's a push. So ito na. Alright. Balikan po natin ito. There's Chester Columbia. TM3 po yan. Natin sa inyo na bagong TM. Power to the people. Kasi makikita mo pa rin dito sa game na ito, this opener para po sa Santa Lucia Realtors, yung kanilang mga players na alam mong yung mga asahan ni Coach Alphonsus Chua sa mga darating pang mga laro.
Well,
You have Chester Columbia.
Yes. Marami silang pwede mag-contribute. Actually, nakita na ni Coach Alion in the last conference kung sino yung pwedeng makatulong kila Kenneth and Marlon Dennis.
Well, ito po si Kenneth Durantes. Well, 30 points para dito kay Kenneth. He scored 6 points yung pong blistering first quarter para po sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Pero hindi na siya nakakontribute yung second quarter. Every in the second half, yun din, talagang paambon-ambon lamang ang puntos ni Kenneth Durantes. James Yap has just established his personal best. 34 points. The push pass underneath.
Pumasok pa rin.
Tejada, papasok pa yun.
That's a good dish pass by itong si Kirby Raimundo under the basket for 2 points by Eugene Tejada.
Well, right now, mga kaibigan, if you take a look at this. Well, except for Ray Evangelista, lahat na po na pinasok ni Coach Ryan Gregorio ay gumawa para po sa kanilang kuburan. Tapos ito po si Eugene Tejada. Has been activated para po sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants. And now only 37 seconds remaining. At ito po sa Pure Foods Chunky Giants, mukhang ay tutuloy-tuloy na nga itong kanilang trend na winning a conference opener.
Santa Lucia still with a trend of really losing their game. First game of the conference naman.
Pure Foods has won their last 3 conference openers. Samantalang Santa Lucia, they have dropped their last 4. Ngayon, magiging 5 na. Conference openers na para po sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Bueno, yun po mga kaibigan. Naglit na lamang ito. At yan, matatapos po itong ating first game. And the final count po, 104-88. Ito po Pure Foods Chunky